This is a review on a Honeywell space heater. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. It's on. Now, it's running at 70 degrees. We're gonna turn it down. Takes off at 69. See? On. This is max. And that's saver. Oscillator. But it doesn't turn. So that don't really work. How long you can make it run. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours. There you go. It's on. It just shut off because it's at 70 degrees in here. Well, it's 72 in here. But, see, it doesn't oscillate. It's messed up. It's stuck or something. And there you go. That is it for the Honeywell space heater. Please like, comment, and subscribe and let me know if you like this video.